famous for my man to see you. Yes, yes, right. Right for the early morning start, and we're doing the video right now. I'm just doing the early morning start, getting ready. So yes, yes, right. Versace, Versace. Yes, yes, right. Versace, Versace. Yes, yes, right.
Yo!
Hello there, earthlings. It's world famous for my man. Yes, yes, right. Hope you're well and fighting fit and bringing oxygen to the brain and doing the exercises. Yes, yes, right. Summer days here right now, so you need to do some exercise and all about vitality. And talk about vitality, it's all about your well-being. Yes, yes, right. As I said before in my last video, you need to do some grounding. Yes, yes, right. What is grounding, you say? Well, basically what you need to do is basically Earth formed billions of years ago. It's full of charge, electrical charge, and you need to get free bioelectricity, it's called. Yes, yes, right. Bioelectricity. So you need to get free electrons which are running through the Earth's core. So if you can go outside, maybe on the grass, or even you can go on the footpath or anything like that, but you need to be on the ground. So you need to take your socks off as well. I've got my socks on, but you can take your socks off. And what you do then, you just put your feet on there. You can either sit on a chair, and you need to get half an hour charge. Yes, yes, right. You need to get half an hour charge for your body to be fully charged. So if you can do this every day in nice sunny days, not in the rain, will be just great. So basically, the bioelectricity will help you. Health benefits will be stabilized. The nervous system will actually reduce inflammation and also reduce your heart rate variability. It also will improve your blood circulation and also reduce blood pressure. Yes, yes, yes. Reduce your blood pressure and also stabilize the heart rate rhythms. So as you can see, the Versace man is here to give you the advice, because let's face it, all the doctors want you to do is eat a tablet, and that's no good to you and it's no good to me, because they don't want you to know that you can actually get better yourself without their help. But I'm here to let you know you can do this. So half an hour charge, bioelectricity every single day. If you can do that, will be just great. You can either sit on a chair, or you can even lie down flat on the grass as well and actually improve. You can even put your hands on the ground as well, and that will still give you a charge. But you need to get your body fully charged, because this is going to improve your lifestyle and your health as well. So that's your advice from Versace man. Right, let's get ready for the next video and see what we're going to talk about. Today, we're going to talk about Versace. Yes, yes, right. Versace, Versace. Look at my glasses and look at my earring. Versace, Versace. You know the Versace man's a stylish man. And as you can see, I'm going to give you a clue what we're going to talk about. The Versace man wore this outfit when we went to the W Hotel in London as well. And he's also wore it in a number of other videos as well. Yes, yes, right. Look at this big box. Voila. Yes, yes, right. Isn't that just fantastic? What a big box. And in this big box, we're going to take it out. Look at that nice box it's made and good structure. Yes, yes, right. It's all about structure and well made. And look at that authenticity as well. And there's a card inside as well. Tells you all about it as well. Yes, yes, right. All the way from Italy. Mamma mia. Yes, yes, right. But before we look at this big item, we're also going to look at this item as well. Yes, yes, right. So this is a Versace towel as well. And if you're going to go swimming or anywhere like that, you can even use this as well. I mean, look at this, really well made. Yes, yes, right. Really well made, nice yellow colour, mustardy colour. And look at the Versace label as well. Yes, yes, right. Really feels plush as well. And you can use that, dry your face or whatever. So that's the first thing. Now here we come to the main bit. Yes, yes, right. Are you ready? Because when I'm ready, you're gonna have to be ready. So here goes. Yes, yes, right. Nice big Versace bag here as well. Yes, yes, right. Nice big Versace bag. And I'm just trying to see if there was a logo somewhere. Yes, yes, right. There it is. Look at that massive logo just there. Versace Puto. Yes, yes, right. And in here, we have it. Here we go. Voila. Yes, yes, right. We're going to look at this item. Here it is. The Versace Robe. Yes, yes, right. Doesn't that look just great? Yes, yes, right. As you know, like I said, the Vermaini man's wore this in numerous videos. And even on the back as well, look at that nice glitter there. And look at the detail work that's gone into the Versace Robe. Yes, yes, right. Yeah, nothing for the best for the Vermaini man. And look at this nice design on the sleeves as well. Yeah, nice little design on there. Really full of detail. And look at that nice Versace on there. Written logo as well. Now that look just great. And look at the pockets as well. Yeah, it's got some nice features on there as well. And this just is a statement piece. Yes, yes, right. It's a statement piece. And it really looks just fantastic. Yes, yes, right. It looks just fantastic. Talking about the robe, you also get some other things as well. You get this nice robe, yeah, like a belt as well. That goes right across onto the robe. Look at that, full of detail. Yes, yes, right. Versace, Versace. Yes, yes, right. Look at that, full of detail on there. Doesn't that look just great? Yes, yes, right. So basically, you have to just put it on like this. The chair. And put it on like this. And we're going to put it on. Yes, yes, right. As you can see from the Instagram we looked at the beginning, there was actually, earlier we sent it, was actually a picture of me doing a shaving outside. Yes, yes, right. So look at these two pockets here, and we're going to do a 360 before we put the belt on. Yes, yes, right. Doesn't that look just ravishing? Yes, yes, right. And look at that as well. Yes, yes, right. So then we put this on here, and then we're going to also put the belt on as well. Yeah, so we're going to put this belt on right now. Yeah, it doesn't matter how you do it, but you just got to put that on. Yes, yes, right. And you just fold it up like this, and you go like this as well. Yes, if you're going to go on holiday or a really nice hotel as well, this is going to be really just great. Yes, yes, right. So the Vermaini man, let's put this on here right now, and look at that. Yes, yes, right. Ready for action. Yes, let's go and get some action. Matching my earrings as well, and the ring as well. Yes, yes, right. Let's do a 360, and let's put my glasses on as well, and see what it looked like, the whole image. Yes, yes, right. So who's the big boss right now? Yeah, who's doing it? I'm the big boss. Here comes the boss. Yes, yes, right. The big boss is here, and you know it, and I know it. So there you go. Don't blink, because if you blink, it's gone. Just like that. Yeah, well, this was a short video the Vermaini man made about the Versace robe. Yes, hope you liked it. And like I said to you guys, it's all about your health and your well-being. Because there's no other person going to save you except the Vermaini man. Keep smiling and subscribe to my channel on Instagram as well, Vermaini man, and my YouTube channel. The more subscribers, the better, because then we can make a big movie as well. Yes, right. A new sci-fi action movie. Yes, right. But we need the numbers. If we ain't got the numbers, we can't make the movie. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, look out for the new song. Look out for the dancing now. Hope you're all keeping fit and do some exercise. And let's get ready and do some dancing. And because they need me back at Vermaini. When it's an emergency, it's an emergency. I have to go back to Vermaini because they need me right now. Because we all gonna do a dance off. Yes, yes, right. And I'm gonna take my Versace robe and keep cool. Yeah, especially going through the black hole and etc. It can be quite cold. But anyway, enjoy the video and I'll see you soon. Bye for now and ciao. I love you all and keep smiling because I'm smiling for you earthlings. See you later. Ta-ra for now.
I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And